Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are pledge of allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Yes, so we are in Mendistown. A White Cross team in Mendistown. We are looking after the 12 by 12 room for the lady that lost all her belongings in a house fire. Yeah, man, so we are here now setting up. Yeah, man, so we're going to put on a roof today. That's Mr. Clarkstone, travel all the way from Clarkstone, some almost 40 miles. Come up, go and give a hand, you know. Yeah, that's the dumpling man from Clarkstone, finding himself all the way up in Mendistown to assist with the needy persons, you know. Yeah, this is for a lady and her son and daughter. I'm so excited about this project. That's Enroy here assisting for Enroy. Come for a morning and see that the only thing in this morning I've a little piece of board put up with us. I'm happy for any amount of help we can get, any help in any form, and that's bull up there. So it's a 12 by 12 room we're putting up. I'm really excited about this one because the need is great. That's why we don't pay people any mind when they mention about room for liquor. Because they have never been in a situation where they have to sleep outside, you know. So then you can talk about whether they're big or little. Yeah, man, but this is another project done by Paul Patmore Housing Project. Yeah, man, so we are on our way to the house for Mendistown. Yeah, man, see there? Whole lot of work have been done. Ready? Yeah, man, that's a zinc to put on the top. Yeah, man, that Mark Babsy. Everybody excited. Yeah, man, Mark Babsy is from this community over by Mendistown and he come out to assist. Yeah, man. So it's a Paul Patmore Housing Project. Another one of our projects. Thanks everyone who continue to support the project. And we ask persons, we're going to have at least around 8 more of these houses for the needy persons. So we ask persons to continue to support the effort. Yeah, another project from Paul Patmore. Alright, Sister D. Alright, so we have fixed you up. Yeah, man. Alright. So we wanted to use my original plan was to use a concrete board. But I find it pressure me too much because I just me alone, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I miss to say you need somewhere to go in right away. So that's why I just change my mind and say alright, I use it. I use the fly whenever we become member of parliament, we come and change out some of the ply them and hear something different, yeah? Might be add on, we have hope so we can add on. As soon as we turn member of parliament, we can add on through the funds that we get through the government, we will be able to add on a little room for the children. So this is something from Paul Patmore Just Paul Patmore and friends and my TikTok family. Even though for this one, all the contribution are just from me alone, you know. I never receive a cent, but we have to do what we have to do. So that's why you see me have to go back to the ply can and use a concrete board because we have a nice 3 feet door for you. Yeah, man, you have a look at that kind of thing. So it should be completed today. Just all you're gonna need is a window, 4x4 window. So sometime next week, or if we can get some assistance through my TikTok family, we try and buy you the window as soon as possible. But we are going to use oil paint to paint up the ply. So hopefully we can keep you a little time. You know, say me as member of parliament, we are going to fix it up better for you. Yeah? I just want you to know that we love and appreciate you and we wish you all the best. Yeah? What do you think about what Mr. Patmore is trying to do for the lady?
You're doing good, sir.
Yes.
You cannot do no better.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
What do you think about the size of the room?
It's okay for the time being.
Yeah.
If you add it, she can look up on it, you will go.
Yeah.
Alright. She only walk to place to live in, and so tell if better come, me come.
Alright, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Education is the heartbeat of our community, and I've seen how James Edwards Basic School has been neglected for too long. It breaks the heart of many residents that our teachers and students haven't received the support they deserve. During Paul's visit, he was inspired by the principal who, despite being pregnant, risked her safety for our children. That moment moved him deeply. Mr. Patmore promised to take action as your caretaker, and I'm proud of the strides we've made to create a safer environment for our children and teachers. But this is just the beginning. Together, we will build a brighter future for all of Jamaica.
Every day we're just struggling to just get across the school and leave the school. Some person tie plastic bag on their shoes, others use water boot, parents buy water boot for their children to wear. And to see that we can now put on our nice shoes and we're going to have a nice road to walk on, it really feels good.
Today we are at the big school in Warsaw. That is the school that I visited with the principal that was pregnant, and we promised her that we will do something to the road for her. You know, it's midterm break, so we want to make sure that when they come back to school they have something. Madam Principal, so Paul Patmore and his team is here. This team is led by Mr. Andrew Brown, one of our sponsor. You know, so we are here today. Remember, we came and you showed us the road, and we made a promise, and we are here to tell you that promise made, promise kept. So how are you feeling today to see that we come?
I am very ecstatic. I am happy. You don't even know. I can't even express how I feel right now. I'm telling you, sir, I am so happy to see this happening right now because we have been struggling, really struggling, sir. every day we just struggling to just get across the school and leave the school. Some person tie plastic bag on their shoes, others use water boot, parents buy water boot for the children to wear. And to see that we can now put on our nice shoes and we're going to have a nice road to walk on, it really feels good. And I am glad that it's today, because today is what, Heroes Day?
Yes.
And you're portraying yourself as a hero to us at James Edwards Basic School, because you're doing something very important that it touched our heart. All these parents, the students, the staff of James Edwards Basic School, you don't know what they're doing for us. I'm telling you, we are extremely grateful. Extremely grateful to you.
Yes. Yeah, man. So we are doing our little part. What we'll be doing, I think we'll be marling and rolling today. And one thing I can promise you, because I'm one of the politicians who don't go out and make promises that I cannot keep. But whenever I become member of parliament, I promise that we're going to come and Barbara Green this piece of road for you. Yeah, man. And we will be taking care of your basic school and Warsaw on a whole, because it's one of the divisions that is underserved for many years. You know, and I hope the citizens will look in themselves and see that we must start to vote for what we want. Don't vote because you say you're die-hearted and your grandparents used to vote for that party. You must demand proper representation. You know, so I'm here. I want to be invited. You just please invite me to the next PTA. I want to come and meet with your parents.
Oh, and I'm sure they will be happy to have you, sir.
Yes, when you have PTA at school?
We would have to make another date because we have one already in September, so the next one would be in November.
November, okay.
Yes.
Yes, and with me today is Mr. Kedan. Yeah, man, he's the caretaker councillor for the Warsaw division. And he's here. Yeah, man. Alright. So we are here as a team today.
Yes, sir.
Yes. All the
Don't
best.
have to take any more risk going over.
No, not at all. I don't want you to meet any accident.
Yes, sir, and I can see that Madam Principal is indeed happy.
Yes.
That you came, and so this was really needed for the students, because I came over here sometime in September. It was raining, and here was in such a condition. So I know the parents and the staff of the James Edwards Basic School are indeed happy for this initiative. And
yes.
I know you're a man of your words, so I know when you're elected as an MP representative, you'll ensure that this road will be Barbara Green and properly maintained.
Yeah.
Thank you again, sir, and continue to do the good work in our division and the rest of South Sudan.
Yeah, welcome.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
He's definitely showing that he's going to take care of us. Yes, it's looking
man.
good, sir.
Alright.
You're looking good.
Yeah. Day everyone. So today, my name is Paul Patmore, founder and president of the White Cross Service Club. White Cross Service Club is a service club that concentrates on helping people. So helping is what we do. One of our projects is to distribute sanitary napkins across our schools, both primary and high school. And today we are at Troy High with the guidance counselor. We want to make a presentation to her. We promise that we'll make sure that it stays full. So we start off with around 30 packs, and on a monthly basis we will try and to refill. It's for the needy children. Being the caretaker candidate for the People's National Party, I'm on the road doing campaigning, and I can tell you I identify a great need. Menstrual poverty is real, not just in South Trelawney, but entire Jamaica. And it's of that when I realized that, I decided that I want to start this project. So we are here, and we are happy that we are now at the Troy High School to present to our guidance counselor these what we call token. We know that we want to make sure that whenever a young lady is at school and cannot afford sanitary napkin, all they need to, will know that they need is just to reach to the nursing station or the guidance counselor office. So, counselor, from the White Cross Service Club, I present this box of sanitary napkins to Troy High School, and we promise that we will keep it filled on a monthly or every other month basis. We'll come and just check and tap it up each time. And I hope it will ease a lot of the pressure and a lot of the price and the expensive that is. Teachers tell me that a lot of time they have the one who have to bear the burden of assisting these young ladies with sanitary. I hope that we can make a difference.
Thank you very much, Mr. Patmore. On behalf of the Troy High School Guidance Department, I want to say thank you for this kind gift. As you mentioned earlier, period poverty is real, and I think everyone right across Jamaica, get a touch of it, and they're experiencing it as it relates to our youngsters not being able to purchase the sanitary napkins that they need on a monthly basis. So we want to thank you, as you promised that you will continue to donate to us, and we look forward to that. And I want to really say thank you for this initiative. We are truly grateful, and may God continue to bless you.